In February 1869, the St. Cloud Journal announced, "The point for the location of the first depot west of the Big Woods has at last been determined. The depot and grain elevators are to be built on the northeast quarter of Section 11, Town 119, Range 11. The work on the depot buildings will commence, we learn, early in May, and the buildings will be ready about the 1st of June. The embryo city is to be named Litchfield, and an effort will be made to remove the county seat from Forest City to that place." The first commercial buildings in downtown Litchfield were built as soon as the town was platted. Building sites on Sibley Avenue began selling in July of 1869 for $100 for a 25-foot lot. Many of the first generation of commercial buildings were small wood-framed, false front structures that could be built quickly with a minimal investment. This is one of the few wood-frame buildings in downtown Litchfield, a reminder of the years before the great building boom of the 1880s turned Sibley Avenue into the street we see today. It was built in 1869, soon after the town was platted, and it was one of the first 4 businesses on Sibley Avenue. This was a drugstore in those early years, described as the superb establishment of W.S. Brill. By 1888, a newspaper story described the changes to the downtown. The business portion of the city presents a substantial and thrifty appearance, owing to the large number of fine brick stores, offices, hotels, etc., all of which are in fine taste. Even then, time had begun to pass this building by, since a wood-frame commercial building was now among the least valuable on Sibley Avenue. It became the home of Lynn's Bakery, a popular establishment for many years.